terminal was that one?
Negative.
Negative. Negative. Okay.
Did it stay lit?
Yeah, that stayed lit. Just kind of did a nice.
You need to get your information up on the front board for your flame test only at this point.
You can write it up.
Flame test only at this point. Get your information up on the board so we can see what all the lab groups have. Make sure you have it correct.
It didn't pop. It just held.
Okay, and you're going to then calculate your ratio. So, does that make sense?
The formula, yeah.
Absolutely. But does that make sense to get that 4 value? Well, think about this. Hydrogen gas. Do you expect that to have a high mass or low mass? There you go. So look at your number. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
40.
Why do you have 40?
Go back and redo your...
Let me do it real quick, man.
No, let her do it. Okay. So, and redo your math. It's always a good thing to... How can we figure that out, Alan?
Multiply volume times density.
Okay, multiplying volume times density. So if you go back to our formula for density, density equals mass over volume. Moved. Mass over volume equals density. Remember that from earlier this year. Rearranging that equation, you can easily calculate the mass given the volume and given the density. So you have the densities of hydrogen, a little bit. This is sulfuric acid. The chemical formula is H2SO4. This is highly concentrated. It is not dilute. What Jay is going to do is he is going to pour some sulfuric acid into this beaker that contains oil. Can you feel it?
Will it just change color?
Is it getting hot?
I can't feel anything.
Oh my gosh.
It's starting to look like
Oh, yeah, I can feel it.
Okay, all right. So he's feeling a lot of heat coming off from this. Okay, with the sulfuric acid H2SO4,
Oh, it's
and
starting.
as you can see, there's a lot of color change occurring.
The Process of Mitosis by David, Katie, and Brandon.
The first stage of mitosis is interphase. During interphase, chromosomes are copied, and once the DNA is replicated, cell division begins. The second stage of mitosis is prophase.